Good morning and welcome to ISA 2014 in Orlando, Florida. I'm Vice President of Sales with Bitro, and we'd like to walk you through and show you some of our new products and existing products. What you see right here is our Resno line of products. We have various formats up to about 14 different versions, available in almost any font, any type style, any color configuration. We use stainless steel construction by choice. As you can see, some options here on some national accounts that are rolling out with our products. As we walk around to the other, you can see Salvatore Ferragamo, polished stainless steel, illuminated halo returns. And then here's a model sample for Chase, showing you halo and face illumination. And you can see how it's constructed with our Tracer product, which is a patented product we have and offer in whites and colors. And we can give you this dual effect. This eliminates any mirror image concerns that you may have by using a halo letter. You move over here to one of our new products. This is affectionately called our Cyclops. It's a 2.5 watt module. As you can see in this cabinet, 15 inches by 2 feet. We have 3 modules in here, 165-degree beam angle and 24/47 face, and you can see the even illumination you get. It's a great option to use lower quantity of LED modules to give you great light output regardless of the quantity. Here's one of our diamond ELP panels showing a frameless type application, although we have a frame on it to protect it at the show. LEDs are mounted on opposing sides in this case, and you can see the background. We have a patent on this pattern that brings the light out into the face. It's also available with a snap frame to allow you to put an image off and take it off and use it for theater marquees, any kind of advertising, point of purchase, etc. As we roll around to the other column, we have our RGB lattice, which is our cabinet lighting product, available in a number of formats. In this case, RGB gives you color choice. You can program it, speed it up, slow it down. Almost anything you want to do with it from a color standpoint, although you're addressing the whole system, not each individual point in this case. We'll stay on this side of the booth. Here's our lattice product in basically an 8-foot by 14-foot tall single-face cabinet, and that's our Lat 5060. And again, one of the many versions we have depending on the cabinet depth requirements that you may have and or the brightness you may have. This puts out about 700 lumens per square foot. Here's some of our control options. And we make our own dimmer systems. We'll show you these in another place, actually illuminating the product. Our RGB control systems, dimmer controls, etc. We have all those, and all of our products are dimmable and controllable with our solutions. If we just stay on this format, you can see the Cyclops in an actual advertising panel, if you will, talking about the 165-degree beam angle. Again, you can see the wires that run through it. You can use 3 modules at a time is how you cut it and use it in your application. Brand new product. Here's our Dual Light, which is a patented acrylic that is basically a perf or perf eliminator, an alternative to P95. And again, you can see here we have red illumination and white illumination behind black, showing you how translucent it is and how excellent the color comes through. This is illuminated with our Tracer also. You can see it when it lights up. So again, you can see the excellent color rendition that comes through. It's also available in blue, green, and red. And just to save time, I'll show you theirs with blue. And there's the black, of course, of what you're seeing up here. And here's red as an example. And then here's the green. So green's a warm color. We can work with that on color temps if need be. So we're showing that in the booth. Again, a patented product. It's a cast acrylic 4x8 sheets. Excellent for channel letters to eliminate perf as mentioned. Here's back to the control systems. This is a new redundancy system we have that is very unique. If you're willing to spend the upfront money for additional power supply, it cuts down on future service. As an example, if I unplug this power supply, you can see the LEDs continue to work. If I unplug this to show you there's no smoke and mirrors, they continue to work. Plug this one back in and it will work because the controller is actually coming to this power supply instead of the other. Now here's what's really unique. I can show you a dead short. I'm taking the negative and hooking it right into the positive, and maybe if the camera picks it up you'll hear it snap. You can hear it snap, but the unit continues to work. So it's bypassing the power supply that has a short and or the LED module that may have a short on it, either from installation or a service call, something that may happen in the future. Phenomenal upgrade to protect your customers. And this is lower just so we can see it. As you can see, we just have it so we can play with the color so it's more visible. But there's full intensity of what you'd normally see. In this case, we drop down to our dimmers. Heretofore, we had to use a Lutron dimmer. So if you had 3 sign cabinets, you'd have to have 3 Lutron dimmers or a lot of wiring. In this case now, we've brought the dimmer control right onto the module. So we have control of the module. We can control multiple modules or just one. Very unique feature. And again, all of the LED products that we offer are dimmable. So very unique and relatively exclusive to Bitro. Trying to offer you the solutions that we're well known for. We move around to this side, we have our linear LED bars. On the top we have our T-Lux series, available in 3 basic footprints, a fixed 40-degree beam, 120-degree beam, and a very unique rotating PCB to adjust the beam angle for products you may be trying to illuminate. Very unique, designed as a shelf lighting product, but it's being used for many other applications. And right below it we have our light prism series, with a lot of you probably familiar with already, that are available in a heavy-duty aluminum extrusion to protect it from landscapers to go outside for wall washing. 12-degree, 22-degree, 30-degree, 45-degree, up to 60-degree beam options. And then here's an RGB unit. We have it fixed on magenta right now, but we have them in whites, colors, and RGB. As we move around, something new is our Lattice 12 volt. The main reason for the 12 volt system to offer that today, as you might know, Lattice is basically what I call a square corner cabinet type product. But in this example, you can now mix channel letter modules with it for cloud shaped signs or non-square corner signs. And this is also the new aluminum extrusion that we have for the double face that fits together. You can see how it fits together, so that you actually have this and you don't get any fluctuation when it's in the sign cabinet, making for a much easier installation. Very, very nice, easy addition to our Lattice line. And this is Lattice 2G, which has a different mounting bracket so that it will work in the new extrusion. And that will be retrofitted to all of our products as time goes by. As we move over here, we have our new FLR, or fluorescent light replacement. This is a double face unit. As you can see, even as close as this is, you see very little hot spotting. Of course, that's not what you do in a sign cabinet, but it just shows you the excellent beam angle that we have. This fits in a tombstone type socket. It actually comes out. You can see the end. And again, fits right in the existing tombstone socket. Now we recommend that you just leave the existing wiring there and use our wiring. Because it's 12, you just use our wiring, plug it in, leave the raceway as is. It's low voltage, so it does not have to be in the raceway. Excellent time saver, again, if you need the fluorescent tube type application, and especially for double face. As we move over here to one of our new options, it's our Omega Prime series of LED modules, which is our premium series. Very high output, double copper trace, etc. What we're doing here, we got a patent on this, and we're actually giving you 93 color choices almost on demand. You can order, no MOQ issues, order as needed. 10 modules, 20 modules, 200 modules, 2,000 modules, whatever you need. We're showing just, I think, 14 of the available 93 colors. A very unique option, and this option is also available on our T-Lux series of linear LED bars. And I think we've covered it. No, we didn't go over here, I'm sorry. Here's our patented tracer, which is in our Resno channel letters. We're showing the 2 different footprints. This is the 5320 series and the 3113 series. Primary difference, as you can see, is the chip size, giving you a little bit small and smaller. Excellent for dimensional. What's unique about this product is most tape lights will bend in the easy way. The patent on this is it also bends in the hard way. Very unique, excellent. And here it is in a 1-inch deep channel, just showing no hot spots, 2447, and you can see the tracer mounted inside of the product. Excellent source for dimensional use and applications where you need maximum brightness at a very effective cost. Here's our new optic version of our Omega Prime. And in this cabinet here we have 3 modules, just like you're seeing in the photograph now, mounted inside this cabinet that's 12 inches wide and 15 inches. 12 by 15 with only 3 modules inside of the cabinet. Again, 165-degree beam angle, over 200 lumens per foot. Brand new, excellent source for tight cavities, large cavities, etc., where you need to spread the light for maximum impact. As we move around to this side, You can see the modules actually by themselves right here, just showing them in a format. It has the optic on top of it. That's the Cyclops, which you have seen already. This is our RGB channel letter module system, available with the infrared radio controller, IR, or radio frequency. And then here's the units. This would be one of these per power supply. You have the ability to give you 31 presets and give you color on demand and program in some of the presets in an order that you prefer. You can look at our data sheets and get that information specifically. As we move to this side, here's the family of our channel letter modules, starting with our Amoga Prime, which again is our premium module. See 3 different color formats, 7000K, 5000K, and 3000K, available in 2 footprints, a medium size and a smaller size, 3 bulb and 2 bulb, or 3 bulb in the large size. We move down to our Eco Prime, which is our voltage driven product. Same color options, and you can see that we have more color choices in this option, and this is a voltage driven product. As we move down below, this is our Tiny Tito 2G series, and that's what's in this letter, showing you how small it is and how excellent it works in a small cavity. These are available in white, red, blue, and green, and there's normally 5 modules per foot, and it will fit in a very small cavity, as you see here in reference to my hand. So thank you for visiting us at 2014 ISA. We look forward to supporting all of your needs, and we are a manufacturer, and we hope we can be there for you. Look at you.